So this is going to be your homework tonight. What I want you to do is put a 1 next to the first equation, 2, 3, 4, and then on the back you've got 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's take a look at number, let's do number 3 together. So if you're looking at 3, the number that's bigger is your a value. So this is your a, and you have a squared equals 100. So then you'd square root both sides, and a equals 10. Then this is going to be your b value, and b squared equals 36, so b equals 6 when you square root both sides. So since 10 is the bigger number, it's underneath the y, you'd go to the graph. On the y-axis, you plot positive 10 and negative 10 because the bigger number is under y, and it's 100. Then over here, you're going to plot positive 6 and negative 6 on the x-axis. And you're going to draw your ellipse. And then this is a vertical ellipse because it's longer on the vertical axis. So your vertices are going to be these points over here, so the top one and the bottom one. This is going to be 0, 10, and 0, negative 10. You can write it like that, or you can write them together as 0 plus or minus 10. Just make sure it's in the y spot for your vertices column. Then your co-vertices are at positive 6, 0, and negative 6, 0, but again, you can write them as plus or minus 6, 0. So that's how you do those. Your foci is these points that are inside the vertices, and there's a formula you're going to use, and your formula is a squared minus b squared equals c squared. So it's kind of like the Pythagorean theorem, but not quite. It just has a minus in between them. So I'm going to take my a, square it, minus my b squared, which is going to be 100 minus 36 equals 64 equals c squared. You're going to square root both sides, and 8 equals c. So what that tells you is that your foci is at 8. And your foci is kind of like how it's inside the vertices. And there's lots of different ways to use it, and I'll explain more on Tuesday. But what you're going to do is you go to your vertices, and on the same axis, you're going to plot 8, and you're going to put F next to it. And you're going to plot negative 8, and you're going to put an